Hello and welcome to the weekly wrap video. Just a couple of things to catch you up on from the past 5 trading sessions. Starting off chronologically, on Wednesday we saw the FOMC minutes not providing the market with anything too much in the way of brand new information. Just seeing that the FOMC have decided they are to conduct a cautious taper to their QE program, and they do retain that data dependency edge of their monetary policy. Then progressing on into Thursday, the Bank of England kept their monetary policy unchanged, with a bank rate at historic lows of 0.5%, with markets looking ahead to February's quarterly inflation report as a potentially opportune time for Carney and his board to reinforce forward guidance via lowering the unemployment rate threshold at which they would inspect a hike to monetary policy rates. So that's due to take place in February with a quarterly inflation report, where Carney would have the opportunity to explain his actions alongside a press conference. Then moving on to the ECB, they kept all their monetary policy tools on hold. However, Draghi did reinforce his forward guidance by strongly emphasising that policy is to remain accommodative and all tools available are still on the table. Did send the euro lower, but this effect being relatively short term, as this was pretty much recouped by the New York close. And then to round things off on Friday, we saw the jobs report from the US, a very, very surprising report itself, with change in non-farm payrolls coming in well below forecast at 74,000, one of the biggest misses in years for the number itself. However, the unemployment rate did fall markedly to 6.7% from 7.0%, being attributed to a contraction in the labour force participation rate, falling to 62.8% from 63.0%. The immediate reaction being very much risk-off, as equities in the dollar slid and T-notes and gold gained. However, this does still remain to be digested. This could just be a one-off in terms of the statistics themselves, as the BLS did say the weather affected a lot of the numbers, specifically the part-time sector, so may not keep the Fed off conducting a further QE taper at their meeting later in January. So I hope you have a fantastic weekend ahead of you, but in the meantime, that's all from us. Hope you've had a great 5 days of trade, and we'll bring you a full update for next week on Monday.